In this video, I will going to guide you how to can activate O2 SIM or eSIM card in UK. So first you are going to need to start by opening any browser and search O2 SIM activation and go official website and click activating your SIM. As you can see, if you are using plastic SIM, your SIM ready to use straight away, and just pop in your device and go good and go. Now if you are using eSIM and you need to download the profile device using QR code and in your SIM pack, in order to this, just going to make sure download my O2 SIM from App Store, and you have installed application, and you just need follow screen instruction. We'll have the eSIM your profile, which you just need to click and follow the screen instruction and go to. That's way you can activate O2 SIM card UK. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then comment, like, share this video.